As a user, you receive HTML mail regularly that prompts you to retrieve certificates when certain portions require it. However, you would like to trust numerous customer sites in advance of receiving their emails. Which of the following provides the best way to accomplish this? Option A. Manually enter the name of each site into your personal address book. Option B. In user security, retrieve internet security certificates from each server over whatever port is required. Option C. Open your Domino directory for your domain and import all the cross certificates into your personal address book. Option D. Send out a certificate request email to each site and use actions accept certificate from your inbox for each email returned containing a certificate attached. The correct answer is option B. Paul has selected to send an internet message with a /mime signature. The first step that Notes performs is which of the following? Option A. Notes attaches a certificate chain. Option B. Notes generates a hash of the data being signed. Option C. Notes verifies the common certificate of the sender and recipient. Option D. Notes decrypts the hash of the message from the sender's public key. The correct answer is option B. You, as the Domino administrator, have defined a password quality restriction for a user ID file. Which of the following best describes what is required from the user when changing his or her password? Option A. No password is required. Option B. Any password is required. Option C. Special characters are required. Option D. An alphanumeric string is required. The correct answer is option B. Mary Beth needs to push a trusted root certificate out to all her Notes users. Which of the following provides the easiest way to have each Notes client gain access to the certifier? Option A. Place the trusted root in the Domino directory for the domain. Option B. Establish a security policy that embeds the trusted root into their user ID file. Option C. Include the trusted root certificate and have each user create a certificate document. Option D. Send an email link for all users to access the web server via their browser of choice and import the certificate. The correct answer is option A.